today we talk about how can you create a bot on your CC app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on create a bot here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Add here your enter bot name here and the bot description. Here if you want to add voice, and here you select language. You chat in here at advanced settings. Then you click here on create bot and it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.